As the golden hour approaches, this valuable cargo of black Brahman bulls nears its destination. Their massive horns are prized at the factory ahead.
Easy now, keep coming straight back. Ramp is secure, lowering the gate now. All right, easy now. Head them into the chute.
Scan confirms optimal muscle density and skin quality. Data logged. Preparing for the next subject.
The final assessment data looks solid across all parameters. Confirmed. The bull is in peak condition.
Scan confirms 0 issues with the skeletal structure. This one is clear for release.
Recording the final assessment now. The laser scan on the curvature is complete.
The AI confirms a perfect density rating. We can finalize the documentation. Here at the factory, every bull undergoes a full biometric scan, ensuring peak condition before processing.
Look at the weight on this one, 1,800 pounds.
Impressive. The AI predicts a high yield score. Weight confirmed at 850. Body score is excellent. AI stats optimal. Verified. Send the next one through.
The final assessment data looks solid across all parameters. Confirmed. The bull is in peak condition.
Scan confirms 0 issues with the skeletal structure. This one is clear for release.
Recording the final assessment now.
The symmetry is nearly perfect. Look at that curvature score.
Impressive data, Doctor. This lineage is definitely worth tracking. All vitals are optimal. They are responding well to the new feed protocol. Confirmed. Let's maintain the current trajectory.
The feeding schedule is running smoothly. Yeah, the cows look very content.
The system is running smoothly. Yes, the intake levels look perfect.
The AI projections are confirmed. Their health metrics are superb across the board. Truly excellent welfare standards maintained here.
The predictive analysis confirms optimal health across the board.
Excellent welfare standards. Truly impressive.
Keep up the great work.
Easy now, big fella. Just a quick look and we'll be all done.
Welcome to the processing facility. Every cut is meticulously documented, ensuring
Look at that marbling score.
Yes, the consistency is perfect. We are good to approve this batch.
The processed black Brahmin beef enters fully automated vacuum sealing machines. Crystal clear food-grade packaging. The complete factory-to-product journey ensures this premium black Brahmin beef meets the highest standards of world-class processing and food safety. At the Black Brahmin Bull Horn and Leather Factory, the authentic manufacturing process begins with these ethically sourced raw materials.
Only the highest quality, ethically sourced Brahmin hides are accepted here.
We check every single one before it moves to the cutting floor. The documentary transitions to certified, ethically sourced raw materials arriving at the Black Brahmin Bullhorn and Leather Factory, beginning the authentic manufacturing process for luxury leather jackets. We meticulously scan and document every single hide that arrives. This ensures complete traceability back to the source, guaranteeing our ethical standards. The authentic production journey begins right here, where every hide is verified with complete traceability documentation.
The AI confirms perfect consistency across the grain. Excellent. This hide is approved for the Black Brahmin line. This hide meets the Brahmin standard. Beautiful texture.
Data confirms. Ready for luxury manufacturing.
Rows of ethically sourced leather enter these massive computerized drums, beginning a world-class conditioning process. Inside the Black Brahmin factory, the journey begins. Hides enter these massive computerized drums.
This hide meets the Brahmin standard. Beautiful texture.
Data confirms. Ready for luxury manufacturing.
We meticulously scan and document every single hide that arrives. This ensures complete traceability back to the source, guaranteeing our ethical standards. Computer-controlled KeyAD software projects digital jacket patterns onto the premium leather. High-precision laser-guided cutting machines maximize.
The Black Brahmin factory blends advanced automation with the irreplaceable skill of its craftsmen, ensuring every leather panel is stitched to perfection. Along the advanced production line, our craftsmen ensure every leather panel is aligned perfectly before the precision stitching begins.
Let's take this pair first.
Lift slowly on 3.
All right, I have it. Should we take it to the inspection table?